Hello artists, today we're going to make an explosion in class and it's going to stand up just like the sculptures of artist Roy Lichtenstein. So you will have two big papers and two smaller papers. The only colors you're allowed to use are primary colors, which are red, yellow, blue, or black and white. So you get what you get. And try to make sure all the papers you get are different. So I don't have any that are exactly the same. Too big, too small. We're going to start with the big paper, and I'm using a crayon so you can see my lines. You don't have to draw with a crayon. On the big paper, I'm going to decide, do I want this to be a smoke cloud or part of the kaboom? I'm going to go with smoke cloud and make some big bumps, and notice how they are pretty much touching the sides of the paper. On this one, I want this to be the explosion. Now, since this has to stand up, you'll notice here, these bumps, they're touching the bottom. I'm going to stretch this one so it touches the bottom. So I'm going to start on my explosion by making some points that aren't really pointy. I've got a flat section right here. So I did like a W shape, so we have the sides of the W, and it doesn't connect in the middle. And then I can make it zigzag out. And make sure we're drawing points that you can cut. Okay, then I have the two little pieces. So on this, see, I think here I'm going to merge the zigzag and the curve. I might do the same for this one. I'm still using my space, going really far. And now it's time to cut. So on things like this, it might be better to approach it from two different directions. Might make it a little easier to cut out all those pieces. And as usual, we'll have our handy dandy trash pan on your table. Don't worry if you're not perfectly on the lines, it's okay. Now quite often in Roy's sculptures, the smoke cloud will be filled with holes. So if you want to, we can use a hole puncher and add some holes. Now the hole puncher only goes so far, so your holes would be around the edge. Alright, now that all my fabulous holes are punched and everything is cut, I'm going to write my name on whatever side is the dirtiest. I wrote it off to the side and not in the center. So I'm going to be folding these, folding my big ones. Trying to get it centered-ish. And we're going to do some gluing. So we twist the orange part, scratch his head, make sure he's breathing. He's definitely breathing. I'm going to put a little glue on the fold. And I want to lay this one down. I'll fold the other way. I want to hide the crayon. And trying to line these up best I can so the folds are touching each other. And the part that's exploding, also get some glue stick or glue bottle. I'm leaving space by the edge. I'll flip this over. Putting glue on the dirty side. And when this is dry, then I'll make it stand up.